Hey everyone, welcome to this new set of videos on logs with Datadog. In today's video, I want to take a step back before we dive into the hands-on stuff and talk about something that's often overlooked, but incredibly important: the philosophy behind the platform. Understanding this upfront will not only make your setup more effective, but it'll also help you get the most value out of Datadog. At the heart of Datadog's log platform is a simple but powerful promise: you only pay for the value you get from your logs. Not all logs are equal. Some, like error logs, are critical for debugging and alerting. Others, like verbose debug logs, might only matter during incidents. And even that value can shift over time. During a quiet period, you might not need to store every detail. But during an incident, those debug logs could become your best friend. Datadog gives you the flexibility to make that trade-off in real time. You can decide what to index, what to keep, what to archive, and even what to drop entirely, all while staying in control of your costs. Day to day, you might keep only high-value logs indexed and send everything else to low-cost storage or archive. In our example, we discard logs not tagged properly as well as our debug logs. But during an incident, you can dynamically change what's indexed on the fly, so you instantly get more visibility where it matters most. As you notice, it was as simple as switching a toggle. That kind of flexibility is key to running a cost-effective, high observability platform. Now, just like the rest of Datadog, the log management experience is built to be as easy as possible. Out-of-the-box integrations make collecting logs from standard sources a breeze. You don't need to reinvent the wheel every time. And once your logs are in, the query system makes it simple to slice, dice, and visualize them. Whether you're building dashboards, generating metrics, or leveraging machine learning to surface log patterns and anomalies. The platform's philosophy is clear: structure your logs upfront. Why? Because structured logs are easier to parse, easier to query, and much more accessible for teams across your org, not just engineers. You invest in parsing and enrichment early so that anyone, whether it's ops, product, or security, can quickly extract insights later. And the end goal? Turn raw logs into rich visualizations, beautiful charts that help teams of all kinds make sense of massive log volumes. Let's take a look at this quick schematic. It captures the full flow. You send all your logs to Datadog. They first appear in live tail, which acts like a global tailf across your entire infrastructure. From there, you can decide which logs to index, analyze, or generate metrics from. All the tools are there, from dashboards to log analytics to metrics correlation. And on the bottom left, you'll see another key capability: log archiving. This allows you to retain logs long-term for compliance or future rehydration, without the cost of keeping them indexed. But since the core concepts were founded, Datadog has also rolled out new capabilities that take this even further. And for those of you in security and compliance, Datadog now includes SIEM features, so you can detect threats and run security investigations directly on your logs. You can forward logs to other destinations for more specialized processing or storage. Finally, you can now redact sensitive information at the platform and agent level, ensuring it never reaches the platform or becomes visible to any user. And I'm sure many more features to come. So that's the big picture, the philosophy and architecture behind log management in Datadog. Understanding this now will help you make smarter decisions later, whether it's tuning your pipeline, managing cost, or getting the right data into the hands of the right people. In the next videos, we'll dive into how to actually start collecting those logs. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and as always, happy monitoring!